You guys asked for it, we got it. We got a Greek Mukbang. I'm so excited. Got a whole bunch of things. Oh, this is probably the gyros. Look at this. Greek salad, boom. Cinnamon donuts, feta chips, baklava for dessert, and I believe this is a beef plate. Oh, yum, look at that. We're gonna start with the feta chips. Oh, this is a lot of chips. I haven't had lunch though, so they're a little bit soggy, but still. I know this isn't very Greek, but I got some Guinness. Cheers! Wow, I guess a fork is kind of necessary. Oh, lamb. So this is my lunch and dinner. That's the lamb. That's delicious. Hope I can finish all this. It's not that much food, really. This is so fucking good. The tzatziki, my god. That lamb, it's perfect. It is perfect. Just so tender. It's got that rosemary seasoning. Oh man, I'm dripping this everywhere. It's a squirter. This is just what I needed today. After the day I've had, after the week I've had. Get that lamb out of there. Yum. I'm in heaven right now. I am in heaven. Finding out that that is literally 10 minutes away from me. Great discovery. Alright, back to the chips. Let's get some of this salad. Looks very healthy. Tomato, capsicum, cucumber, red onion. Wow, that's delicious. There's radishes too. So fresh. I feel like these two work together perfectly. Oh damn, this is a bit soggy. So what are we gonna do? Make our own little mini fucking... Not a lot of meat in this. So this is the pulled beef. Lemon. This one has mint. I really need a burp. Definitely more of a lamb fan. That rhymes. Lamb fan. Pulled beef is alright, but I think I just prefer lamb. I'm just more of a lamb guy. Guinness. I love Guinness. I don't have it very often, but one of my favorite beers. Oh lord. Yum. Get some chops in there. Some chops, bro. You want a chop, bro? You want a chop? That's my Kiwi accent, by the way. If you were wondering what the fuck that was. It's kind of hard to get all of this on the pita. Maybe it's more of just a meat and chip situation. It's a little bit, it kind of sucks a little bit because I feel like these dishes were kind of unnecessary because I've already got the chips with this and the feta. Well, there's only a tiny bit of feta there, but still. And then I've got like the salad. So it's like kind of pointless, but I'm hungry. I'm excited for this and these. You see these. I need to smash through this. Yum. They got stuck. These are fucking deep. They feel good. Fresh fried, fresh fried. It's a good little alternation there. This is a lot of fucking salad. God damn. This is just so good. Oh, there's an olive. It's there's only one olive out of the entire fucking salads. It's a bit weird, isn't it? I'm slowing down. I'm really slowing down. Oh, my stomach is getting full. It is genuinely getting full. I kind of want to like put that with that and that with that. I'm getting like food coma. Like I want to go lay down. Damn. It's probably all these carbs. Will I make it, guys? Will I make it? I love the salad, but it just takes so much effort to chew. Whereas the fries, chew them a few times. Chew and chew and chew and keep chewing. I just keep looking at the baklava and the donuts. It's all I can think about. I don't want to eat salad. I don't want to eat chips. I want to eat baklava, donuts. That is really good. Oh, my stomach. Man, that is a lot of chips. Can we fit all this in here? Oh, there's another olive. 2 olives out of the entire thing. That's a bit... Wow, so I've just got a mountain of chips and a mountain of salad. Oh, my stomach. I don't think I can eat any more of this, guys. Look at that. Look at it. Alright, we can save that for later. Alright, the baklava. Why do they gotta do that? Get off. Get off. I'm gonna fucking destroy the baklava by the time I take this off. This is fucked. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, that looks pretty damn good. Damn, that is solid. Mmm. Wow. Normally, I'm not really much of a baklava person, but that's just delicious. That's what that is. Like, I love sweet things. Sweet things in small amounts. Not too much, you know what I mean? Wow, that was very sugary. I feel like I need someone else here eating this with me. Like, can you just eat the rest of that, please? Thank you. So I feel like I'm done. I feel like I'm baklavaed out. These donuts, however. Yum. Very good. I feel like they maybe could have been cooked a little bit more. They are pretty good. For some reason I'm getting the flavour of fish fingers. I feel like I shouldn't be getting them with donuts. It's like fish and chips. Maybe they put them in the same oil or something. All of that though, give it like a solid 7.5 out of 10. Yeah. Gyros, great. Not the best gyros I've ever had, but definitely really good. I feel like I could have just gotten the gyros and the beef plate and not even got the salad or the chips, and I would have been sweet. This is so messy. Better. Just trying to get a few burps, you know what I mean? A few burps going. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, it's been a good mukbang. Thoroughly enjoyed the Greek food. I could have gone to another place and got like more authentic version. Like I feel like this was like a fast food Greek, but it was close, available, and it was good. Yeah, I loved it. I feel like I'm just about done. Yeah. Here's my food belly. Not bad. Not bad. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next video. If you have any mukbang suggestions for places I should, like, countries, food, let me know. See you later. See you later.